Today we're going to be testing the NCP4371QC30GEVB, a Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 Charger Reference Design Evaluation Board by ON Semiconductor. The equipment we're going to be using for today's test include an AC power supply, a power meter, and a DC power supply, as well as a DC multimeter to measure the output voltage, a DC electronic load, and finally a QC 3.0 emulator. For the connections for this test setup, connect your DC power supply to the QC 3.0 emulator, set it to 5.5 volts and turn it on, and connect your DC electronic load also to the QC 3.0 emulator. Finally, connect your AC power supply to the board being tested and connect the two boards using a short USB cable. To begin the test, set your AC power supply to 120 volts at 60 Hz, turn it on, and check that your output voltage is within 0.2 volts of 5 volts. Now set your DC electronic load to 0.5 amps and turn it on, and check that your output voltage is above 4.5 volts. Now, using the input power, as well as the output current and voltage, calculate the efficiency of this board. It needs to be above 80%. In this case, we are at 84%. Now, change your DC electronic load from 0.5 amps up to 2 amps. Check that your output voltage is still above 4.5 volts. And using your input power and your output voltage and current, check your efficiency on the board. It needs to be above 82%. In this case, we are at 90%. Next, change your DC electronic load from 2 amps down to 1 amp. Next, press the mode button on your QC 3.0 emulator so that the yellow LED next to HVDCP_CNT lights up. Now we're going to press the up button several times to make sure our voltage increases by 200 millivolts. And we're going to press the down button to make sure our voltage decreases by 200 millivolts. Next, we're going to press the mode button twice so that the LED next to HVDCP_9V is illuminated. Here we can see that our V out is greater than 8.5 volts. We're going to press the mode button again so that the 12 volt LED is illuminated. And we can see that our output voltage is greater than 11.5 volts. Next, press the mode button one more time to make sure that the 20 volt LED is illuminated. And we can see that our output voltage is still greater than 11.5 volts. Next, we're going to press the mode button one more time to make sure that the 5 volt LED is illuminated. And we can see that our output voltage is greater than 4.5 volts. Next, set your AC source to 230 volts. And change your DC electronic load to 2 amps. And finally, using your input power and your output voltage and current, calculate your efficiency. In this case, we are at 83%. This concludes the test of the NCP4371QC30GEVB. For more information, visit us online at www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.